Step 1. Download template in Mockup files. Go to merchize.com. You can find the photo frame lightbox using the search box. On the product page, under the Template and Mockup tab, you can find the link to download the template and mockup file. Step 2. Open template file on Photoshop or Photopea. Now, we will use Photopea, a free online editing website to create our design. Go to photopea.com. Drag and drop the template to Photopea's workspace. Photo frame lightbox template explained. Your design should cover the entire template. This green line makes up the safe print area, and all of your important elements or text should be placed within this green line. Anything placed outside the green line might not shown or hidden by the wooden frame in the final product. Step 3. Create design. What you need to do is creating a brand new design or insert your design to cover the template. Depend on your design intention. You can place your design either vertically or horizontally. For this product, if you want to create a floating effect for your design, you should leave some transparent areas on your design for the light to reflect through, and don't forget what we said about the green dashed line. Don't put important design elements outside this green line. If you are new to Photoshop or Photopea, here are some basic steps that can help you to manipulate designs. To insert your design, click on File on menu, choose Open and Place to select your design from your computer. Or you can drag your design to this template. To move your design, use the Move tool or press V. To resize your design, use the Free Transform tool or hold Alt-Ctrl-T or Ctrl-T in Photoshop. Then drag the corner of the design to adjust the size. Once you finish filling the template, turn off all guide layers and save this file by holding down Ctrl-S. Step 4. Export your print file. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include on your printed design. Now, you can save your file. On Photopea, click on File, select Export As and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a Copy, and choose PNG format. Generate mockup images with our mockup file. Step 1. Download mockup files. On our template and mockup link, open mockup folder. Now you can download the PSD mockup file. Note that the mockup files for photo frame lightbox is pretty heavy as it includes multiple mockup versions. You might have to wait a few minutes for the download to be completed. Step 2. Open mockup file on Photoshop or Photopea. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files on Photoshop or Photopea. Step 3. Add your design to mockup. After opening this mockup file, look to the right side of your screen. You will see the layer panel, mockup sections explained. Before getting into the detailed instructions, let's have an overview all of the sections of this mockup. There are 4 main groups: artwork, vertical, horizontal, and detail. Artwork is where you place your design. Vertical includes mockup options for vertical designs. Similarly, you can select horizontal mockup options within the horizontal group. The last one, detail group, includes one close-up mockup image of the product. Now, let's explore more options hidden within vertical and horizontal group. When clicking on the drop-down, you will see different mockup options nested under each group. Number 1, 2, 3, or white background represents different mockup background options. There are also options for different lighting, for example, light off, yellow, and 7 colors. Light off shows the image of the bare frame when the light is turned off. Yellow and 7 colors represents 2 lighting options of this product. With yellow option, there is only one light color, which is yellow. 7 color option allows you to select between 7 light colors. Under each mockup option, there will be a design group that stores the design image. If you want your designs to show on your mockup images, always leave this design group within your selected mockup group on. Now, let's break down to the steps you need to take to generate mockup images with our mockup file. First, double-click on the Place Your Design Here layer thumbnail under the Artwork group to open Smart Object in a new tab. When the new tab appears, on the Layer panel, turn off Merchize Layer and turn on Guide Layer to see the detailed template. If you've already created your own print design file with this template, just drag your file and fill this template with the design file saved from before. Whether your design is horizontal or vertical, just place your design to fit this template. Or you can make your design from scratch just like what we have done in the previous section. Once you finish filling this template, turn off Guide Layer and save this smart object by holding down Ctrl-S. Close this tab and come back with our mockup file. Now you will see your design has been adopted to this mockup. Step 4. Select mockup options. Before diving in, let me explain how the layers work in Photoshop. You can think of layers like a stack of sheets. Layers on top shows while those underneath hides. To see the layer underneath, you must turn off all the layer above. If you want a mockup version to show up, turn off all the other groups/layers stacked above that you don't select. For example, you want to select the mockup for the green light version of horizontal 7 color option. Here's how to do it. First, because vertical group is stacked above the horizontal group. If you keep it on, it will hide the horizontal group. If you want to show horizontal mockups, you must turn off the vertical group here, under the horizontal group. Since you choose the 7 color option, you must turn off the other option, yellow, because it is stacked above the 7 color option. Within the 7 color group, there are 2 choice of mockup background. Step 5. Save your mockup file. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, now you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.